Khur nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kanlong kasi sa jingken mau ya kajelahi barok away, haga baka kagunho ni lekay under 19, layo ban Khur ya Takma Ksiar, haga Khelo India Youth Games. Kani kalawan hadin baklalaban Pynliem no ya ka Punjab da Arla North, haga jinga kon final jong kajingi lekay football, kishinrang, haga lai puwaiteri ukulaling kot araja ratpasaw, hajawalar Nehru Stadium, kabaha Chennai. Kani kanam job kalawan urlong lingba, ki argur bala tab do badondor marbanyang nagabenta ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ban Khur sundan ya ka nam la do watla ka jalla kala pha tang ka we ka kanho ni le kai ha ka Khelo India Youth Games pen ban kani ka kanho ni le kai football hapo ka jingya lam uba Jeffrey walar pi ko football coach kala la ban pen pa ya ka jing tebet nagabenta ban ra buram ya ka jalla da ka ba kala la ban Pynliem shi sundan ya ka Punjab ha ka ni ka jingya kon final.
Feeling great. We've been waiting this moment a very, very long time. So I first of all want to thank God for everything He gave us, and especially to our team management coach Sir Jeffrey and Sir Molos and Sir Andy, who arrange us, who keep us like we are the son. So thank you so much. Before the final, we have a meeting like. Coach give us tactic and help us to improve our game every day, every match. So he support us, motivate us to play a very good game so that we can achieve this gold medal.
Right now it's a very happy moment, it's a proud moment for every one of us. Congratulations boys, you really did it again. You have done it in the semi-final. It's such a very beautiful game in the semi-final. We came back from 2 goals. After we conceded 2 goals, we came back, we scored 5 goals.
To compete against other state, because if we compete only in our state, we cannot have like we don't know the opponent's strength, we don't know how they can play, but this Khelo India give us opportunity to play, to compete against another state who is good. Thank you.
From my side, back to Meghalaya, I would like to give my thanks to all the supporters, especially our very own director of sports and youth affairs, and then all the officers in the sports department, all my families, my friends. Thank you so much, and we will meet you in Shillong. Thank you.